How to export a video in DaVinci Resolve. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to drag your media or your video that you want to be exporting. And I'm pretty sure that you must be done with all the editing and final touches already. You can adjust the video to your liking. And once everything is done, you're going to head over to File section right here, and you're going to go all the way down to Export, which is directly below Import. So basically, there are about 3 to 4 different ways that you can export it. You can either export the entire timeline, or you can export it from the bin, or you can also export the current frame as still, like the current frame that you're working on. You also have the option to export the entire project entirely. You can also export the metadata form in the form of media pool or selected media pool clips. All you have to do is simply select these, and then that is going to render out and export itself into your library. The other easy way that you can export is by heading over to the cut section right here, which is the second section. And from here, you will have to select the video once again, and you're going to quickly head over to quick export. This is going to be a quick way for you to be exporting your video. You can export it directly onto social media platforms, or you can, change in the resolution as well. So guys, this is how you can export on DaVinci Resolve 18.